In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email account to Zoho CRM. Connecting your mailbox lets you send, receive, and track emails right inside your records, and it keeps conversations automatically linked to the right leads and contacts. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few quick tips so setup goes smoothly. Start on your Zoho CRM homepage while signed into the workspace where you want email enabled. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, find Channels. Channels are the communication touchpoints you can use in CRM, and email is one of them. Click Email to open the email configuration area. On the email page, click Get Started. This launches the guided setup. You'll now see provider tiles, Zoho Mail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Office 365, Outlook, and other mail for IMAP and SMTP services. You can click through these to preview the choices. The flow is similar for each provider. In this video, we'll use Gmail. Click the Gmail tile, then click Configure. Zoho opens a secure Google sign-in window. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow this one so the window can appear. Choose the Google account you want to connect and follow the usual sign-in steps. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted for your password and two-step verification. Next, Google shows the permissions Zoho CRM needs to sync your mailbox, such as reading and sending email so messages can flow between Gmail and CRM. Review the details, then proceed by clicking Continue. You may see more than one confirmation screen. Just continue until you're redirected back to Zoho. If you're on a managed Google Workspace, an administrator might need to approve the connection. Contact them if you see an approval message. After access is confirmed, you'll land back in Zoho CRM's email settings. Zoho may display a prompt to fine-tune additional options. For this setup, click Skip to accept the defaults. You can always return later to customize items like signatures, routing, or sharing preferences if your role allows it. You should now see your Gmail account added and marked as connected. That means you can compose emails from within deals, contacts, and leads, and incoming replies will be pulled into the related records, keeping timelines complete. If you have a lot of historical mail, give the initial sync a moment. The first pass can take longer with large inboxes. Let's quickly recap the path we took so you can repeat it anytime. From the Zoho CRM homepage, open Settings, go to Channels, choose Email, click Get Started, pick your provider, and for Gmail specifically, select Gmail, click Configure, sign in, approve the requested permissions by clicking Continue on the consent screens, and when you're back in Zoho, click Skip to finish with the default options. That's it. The account is connected. If you later decide to connect a different service, Zoho Mail, Yahoo, Office 365, Outlook, or another IMAP provider, the flow is the same. Choose the relevant tile and follow the on-screen prompts. And if something doesn't load during sign-in, a quick refresh or temporarily allowing the pop-up window usually clears it up. Thanks for following along. You've just added an email account to Zoho CRM, setting the stage for faster follow-ups and clearer customer histories.